Did you know there are over 400,000 species of flowering plants around the world? Today, we're counting down the top 50 flowers, the prettiest, boldest, and most iconic blooms you need to know. Rose, a timeless symbol of love and beauty, available in almost every color imaginable. Tulip, bright, simple, and elegant, tulips bring cheerful vibes to any garden. Sunflower, tall and sunny, sunflowers naturally turn their faces toward the light. Daisy, with pure white petals and sunny centers, daisies symbolize innocence and joy. Orchid, exotic and delicate. Orchids are prized for their unique shapes and colors. Lily, bold and fragrant. Lilies often represent purity and refined beauty. Peony, big, fluffy blooms that are absolutely packed with layers of soft petals. Marigold, bright orange or gold. Marigolds are often associated with celebrations and rituals. Daffodil, these cheerful yellow flowers are the ultimate symbol of spring. Lavender, not just beautiful, lavender also soothes with its relaxing scent. Hydrangea, massive clusters of blooms that can magically change color based on soil pH. Chrysanthemum, a fall favorite. Chrysanthemums come in a rainbow of colors and shapes. Carnation, ruffled petals and a spicy scent make carnations a bouquet staple. Geranium, hardy and vibrant. Geraniums are garden workhorses full of color. Gardenia, creamy white flowers known for their strong, sweet fragrance. Hibiscus, tropical and flashy. Hibiscus flowers demand attention wherever they bloom. Begonia, lush and colorful, begonias thrive in shady gardens and hanging baskets. Camellia, glossy leaves and perfect petals make camellias a classic choice. Zinnia, bright, tough, and easy to grow, zinnias light up summer gardens. Anemone, delicate and striking. Anemones dance in the wind with their thin stems. Sweet pea, tiny, fragrant flowers with curly tendrils that climb and charm. Gladiolus, tall flower spikes covered in multiple blooms, perfect for cutting gardens. Freesia, known for their sweet scent and vivid colors, freesias are pure elegance. Cosmos, light and airy, cosmos bloom profusely with minimal care. Snapdragon, whimsical flowers that actually snap when you squeeze their sides. Petunia, soft, colorful, and endlessly versatile for containers and beds. Poppy, with delicate petals and deep symbolism, poppies are unforgettable. Bleeding heart, heart-shaped flowers that literally look like they're dripping love. Violet, tiny, sweet-smelling blooms that thrive in shady, moist areas. Foxglove, tall spires of bell-shaped flowers beloved by hummingbirds. Lupine, spiky towers of flowers that fill fields with vibrant purples and blues. Morning glory, fast-growing climbers that unfurl brilliant blooms every morning. Amaryllis, huge, showy flowers that brighten up winter days indoors. Ranunculus, layer after layer of silky petals packed into candy-colored blooms. Magnolia, majestic trees that bloom with large, lemony-scented flowers. Crocus, one of the first flowers to peek out at the end of winter. Calla lily, sleek and modern. Calla lilies are the ultimate in flower sophistication. Heather, tiny clustered blooms that cover hillsides in purple and pink. Forget-me-not, sweet little blue flowers with a powerful message of remembrance. Allium, giant, round, purple globes that look straight out of a fairy tale. Ixora, tropical shrubs bursting with star-shaped blooms. Bird of paradise, vibrant and exotic. These flowers truly look like tropical birds. Delphinium, statuesque blue or purple spires that add drama to gardens. Aster, daisy-like flowers that bloom in late summer and fall in gorgeous shades. Lotus, sacred and serene. Lotus flowers symbolize purity rising from the mud. Yarrow, flat-topped clusters of tiny flowers, loved by pollinators and herbalists alike. Tithonia, Mexican sunflower, bold orange flowers that attract butterflies by the dozens. Scabiosa, pincushion flower, adorable little blooms that look like tiny pincushions. Verbena, hardy, colorful clusters that bloom all season long. Stock, spicy scented blooms that add texture and fragrance to any bouquet. Whether you're planting a garden, picking a bouquet, or just daydreaming, there's always a flower that fits the moment perfectly. Which one is your favorite?